Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Spotify Premium subscription, step by step. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you like on your computer or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type the word Spotify, then press the Enter key. After a moment, you will see a list of search results. Look for the official Spotify result. It will usually say spotify.com and mention listening to music. Click that official Spotify link so you go to the real website and not an advertisement or a fake copy. Once the Spotify website has loaded, you are ready to log into your account. Look towards the top right area of the page for a button that says Log In. Click the Login button and a sign-in page will appear. Here you can enter your email address and password or use any sign-in method you normally use with Spotify. Make sure you use the same account that has your premium plan or you will not see the correct subscription later. Now that you are logged in, look again at the very top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Sometimes it shows your picture, other times just a simple circle or your username. Click once on this profile icon and a small menu will drop down underneath it. If you do not see the icon, you may still be on the login page, so check that you actually signed in. From that profile menu, you will see a few options listed vertically. Find the one that says Account. Move your mouse over it and click Account with a single click. The page will change and open your account overview. Here you can see details like your plan type and some personal information, but we will focus only on subscription for now. With the account page open, scroll a little if needed and look for a section called Subscription. In this area you will see what type of plan you have, such as Premium, Individual, or another plan. Just below that subscription information, you will see a link or button that says Cancel Subscription. Click the Cancel Subscription option carefully. If you do not see it, you might be on a free plan already. In that case, there will be no cancel button because there is nothing paid to cancel. After clicking Cancel, Spotify will show a new page or pop-up asking you to confirm. Now click the button that says Continue to Cancel. This tells Spotify you really do want to stop premium and are not just clicking by mistake. Once you click Continue to Cancel, you will usually see a final confirmation message explaining when your premium will end, and your account will switch back to the free version at that time, while your playlists and saved music stay on your account. You have now gone through all the steps to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.